Today we take a look at the Afrikaans word moer. As a noun, it means nut, like nuts and bolts. It also has a few other meanings. Then moer has a very impolite side. I consider it a harsh or crass word. It is a staple of the Afrikaans speaking people and used very often. Moer koffie. Moer koffie. And that is a ground coffee that is boiled. We are going straight to what everybody wants to know, and that is how it's most commonly used. Moer, as a verb, means to hit or beat someone. Ek gaan jou moer. I am going to beat you up. Hy is moerig. He is angry moody. So it's not just moody, it's not angry, it's angry moody. Jou moer. That can be translated as a few things, but it's basically an FU. Vlieg in jou moer. Vlieg in jou moer. Now, translated that means go to hell, more or less. Direct translation would be fly into your moer. There's no other way to translate that. Sy of haar moer is suur. Direct translation, her or his moer is sour. That means somebody is angry or grumpy or offended by something. Ek is die moer in. I am furious. Ek het my moer gestrip. And that means I lost my temper. Hy gaan op sy moer kry, which means he is going to get in trouble. The following phrases mean the same thing. Ek is moer toe. Ek is in my moer. Iets is in sy moer. I or it is screwed or effed. It can also mean I or it is in trouble. And the last one, I or it is exhausted. The other way to use moer would be instead of the Afrikaans word baie, but only in the context where the English is very, like very tired or very angry. So it would be baie moeg of baie kwaad, which would be moer moeg of moer kwaad. Dit is moer moeilik. It is very difficult. The last one you have to know is moerse. Moerse encompasses baie groot, so very large. That is the whole, if you add the se, moerse, then it's very large. Dit is 'n moerse success. It is a huge success.